Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. It is 5:23 and 1 second a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Revolutionary Ultra RAM. Now, I would like to make a couple comments before we get started on this video here. The first comment is, I have not watched television or played a video game in nearly 30 years. And the second comment is, when it comes to electronics, it seems the only electronics people know these days is their Xbox or soapbox. And you know what I mean. So let's get started here. First steps towards revolutionary Ultra RAM, memory chips. Date March 29, 2021. Source, Lancaster University. Summary. A new type of universal memory, Ultra RAM, has taken a step closer towards development with a successful experiment. Universal memory is a memory where the data is robustly stored, but can also be easily changed, something that was widely considered to be unachievable until now. The new non-volatile RAM, called Ultra RAM, is a working implementation of so-called universal memory, promising all the advantages of DRAM and flash, with none of the drawbacks. These new results confirm the astonishing properties of Ultra RAM, allowing us to demonstrate its potential as a fast and efficient non-volatile memory with high endurance. Currently, the two main types of memory, dynamic RAM, DRAM, and flash, have complementary characteristics and roles. DRAM is fast, so used for active working memory, but it is volatile, meaning that information is lost when power is removed. Indeed, DRAM continually forgets and needs to be constantly refreshed. Flash is non-volatile, allowing you to carry data in your pocket, but is very slow and wears out. It is well suited for data storage, but can't be used for active memory. Universal memory is a memory where the data is very robustly stored, but can also be easily changed, something that was widely considered to be unachievable until now. The Lancaster team has solved the paradox of universal memory by exploiting a quantum mechanical effect called resonant tunneling that allows a barrier to switch from opaque to transparent by applying a small voltage. Their new non-volatile RAM, called Ultra RAM, is a working implementation of so-called universal memory, promising all the advantages of DRAM and flash, with none of the drawbacks. The researchers have integrated Ultra RAM devices in the small 4-bit arrays for the first time. This has allowed them to experimentally verify a novel patent pending memory architecture that would form the basis of future Ultra RAM memory chips. They have also modified the device design to take full advantage of the physics of resonant tunneling, resulting in devices that are 2,000 times faster than the first prototypes, and with program erase cycling endurance that is at least 10 times better than flash, without any compromise in data retention. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on Advanced Engineering, Computer Science, and Space Technology. I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.